all this venom that you speak. Condescending, no pretending, vandalize the weak. Ask for seconds, no repenting, blood in my eyes, so I guess it's okay. Burn the bridges, let them smolder. Every sorry sucker looking over their shoulder for a little intuition and a lazy superstition, just to help this villain with a little exposure. There's mud in my veins just to help me get by.